Welcome to A World Made of Cardboard Assembles. A couple of weeks ago I posted a video where you could download the pattern to make this device. This is a little vehicle called a Sparrowhawk. It's designed to be able to fit 3 3/4 inch figures and to be able to just be able to have some fun. It's all free for you to download. In the description below I pasted another link to this vehicle, but in this little video I'm actually going to assemble one. I have a pattern here, and will show the technique of how it all goes together to make this little vehicle so that you can make your own. Though the pattern comes with instructions, I find that if I do a video on them, I think it needs to do a little bit better. So let's take a look at it. Now the first thing is cutting it out. Now, I've already cut out one. This is kind of like those cooking shows where they say, I already have one in the oven, you know, that type of thing. So I've already made one of these or cut one of these out. And I've already scored the fold lines as well, or embossed the fold lines would be a better way to say it. That will make this video a little bit shorter and show you just how simple it is to put these things together. So first thing is to start folding it over. Now the embossing, what I used to emboss this was just a pen, a simple little ink pen and a straight edge. I just went through like this. The ink pen is dry too, make sure your ink pen's dry, and just ran it across to give the thing an edge. Now I've removed the ink well out of this, and it's just a simple little Bic ink pen. Try to do Bic and ink together, and it creases the paper enough, embosses it enough to where you can fold it easily. So let's take a look at how this goes together. First thing, I like to put these out backwards just so I can see what's going on the inside. Though my instructions don't say that, that's totally up to you. You can see how this folds over like this to make kind of a pointed shape there. Then insert tab B this time into there. Unfold it a little bit. Folding over this little winglet, it goes up through into that little slot there. And you just pull it tight. You do the same thing with the other side. Now you can also put that winglet through first. I think that's how I have it in the instructions. Put that winglet through just slightly, not all the way. Pull it through. Put tabs A and B through. Don't put the back together just yet. You can reach up in there and kind of make sure that the folds on your tabs will hold in place. Reach up in there a little bit. Fold this part up first. Fold that part down second, putting tab C into slot C. It may take a little bit. You can use a pair of tweezers or or a little wire to help guide the piece in. I try to keep it as my tools minimal as possible. There it is. It's through. Fold these down. And now he has another one he can fly. You can make a whole fleet of these things. Now, I've purposely made this out of just one sheet of paper. One sheet, one simple mold design, so that it could be quick and easy to build. So that's all there is to the Sparrowhawk. I'll be putting out other videos of the other two vehicles pretty soon. So thanks for watching and happy building.